Hey everyone, it's Becca Niederkrom, and I'm here to introduce today's episode. We're going to meet the creator behind Fido the Cat and her awesome, appealing chocolate cat toys. So I want you to take a close look at what's inside this interview as she shares her inspiration behind these treasures and where you can find them. Where are you going? I know you want more chocolate. Click here. Or click here. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.